Alright, so today we're gonna graph a parabola. And so we're gonna start with this equation right here. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna want to do is complete the square. So I'm gonna subtract 3 on each side. So I get x squared plus 2x, and then plus a blank, which would be the square, equals negative 3 plus a blank. And these two are the exact same. So once I figure this out, I know what this is. And to find out what the square is, you take b divided by 2 squared. So b is 2, divided by 2 is 1, squared would still be 1. So you can tell that that is the answer. So on the third step, I want to factor it out. So it's going to be x plus 1 squared, because those two would be a factor, equals negative 2. Now I want to get rid of this squared, so I'm going to take the square root of it. So square root of that and square root of that is going to give me x plus 1 equals, and see there's a negative 2 here, so this is where we have to start using imaginary numbers. So it's going to be plus or minus the square root of 2 imaginary, because this also equals a negative 1. So then what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to subtract a 1 on each side to get x by itself. So then x equals 1 plus or minus negative 1 plus or minus square root of 2i. So x equals negative 1 plus 2i, square root of 2i, and also negative 1 minus the square root of 2i. And so next I want to find the vertex. So the equation for the vertex is negative b over 2a over 4ac minus b squared over 4a. This would be x, and this would be y. So negative b would be negative 2 divided by 2, a is 1, comma, 4 times 1 times,
Times what?
negative times 3 is negative times 4, and so then divided by 4 times 1, so that would be negative 1, 12 minus 4 is 2. So then that's going to be right there, and that would give us our vertex. So if we graph this, it would be, you see 3 is the c, which would also equal the y-intercept. So I'm going to go 3, negative 1, 1, 2. So right there. And you could also mirror this to the other side to continue this going, which would give us our parabola. Thank you.